Want to surprise someone special? A thank you, a treat, or just because? Whether it's your mom, bestie, or partner, sending cashback with bXTRA is a quick and thoughtful way to give back. Open your bXTRA PH app and go straight to your BCB wallet. Tap the send button. This is where you'll transfer your cashback. Choose email method and enter your loved one's registered email address. Type in the amount you want to send and tap submit. A confirmation prompt will appear. Take a second to double check the details, then hit confirm to proceed. Next, you'll be asked for your PIN. Forgot it? No stress. Tap PIN reminder and we'll instantly send it to your registered email. Once received, type it in and tap submit to finalize the transaction. And just like that, your cashback has been sent successfully. Want to make sure it went through? Just scroll down to the transaction history to see your recent activity. Sharing cashback has never been this easy. With bXTRA PH, paying someone back is just a few taps away.